Scholars, it's your turn. Don't forget to grab your blank piece of paper and a pencil. You will have about 5 minutes to write down these sentences on your piece of paper and correct them. Don't forget our rules if the dialogue is at the beginning or the end of the sentence. Get ready. Go. 20 more seconds, scholars. Great job. Let's go over our sentences. 1. Araceli ran to Miss Cup and shouted, I got 100% on my module quiz. When I see this sentence, I notice that shouted is a clue word, which means what did Araceli shout? I got 100% on my module quiz. The dialogue is at the end, so we know we can use our rule. Say it with me. Clue word, comma, quotation mark, uppercase letter. Let's double check that on our Google form. Which sentence is correctly written? I see that in both, the quotation marks are around our dialogue, but I know we weren't tricked this time. Scholars, remember, the quotation marks go around the whole dialogue, including the exclamation point. So letter A is correct. Show me a yes if you got that. Good. Number 2. Will you please help me test my hypothesis? Asked Nala. My clue word here is asked, yes. And she asked, will you please help me test my hypothesis? Here, the dialogue is in the beginning. And I know with my clue word asked, that tells me this is an interrogative sentence, a question. So I need to end that with a question mark. Finally, I put around my dialogue those, you've got it, quotation marks, including my quotation mark after my question mark. Let's double check our questions. A, will you please help me test my hypothesis? Asked Nala. It seems like the quotation marks are around the dialogue. Let's double check. Aha! If you spotted that already, go ahead and kiss your brain. Mwah. Yes, the quotation marks go after the question mark, not before. Remember, it includes the whole dialogue. So letter A is incorrect and letter B is correct. Show me a yes if you got that so far. Great. Let's see if you can get 3 in a row. By the way, scholars, random fact about Miss Yabut. Did you know that my favorite color is blue? Pretty cool, right? This is the secret word. My favorite color is blue. Let's keep reading. And number 3. I can't stand the idea of missing High Five Friday, said Nevaeh. Easy peasy. I see my clue word said, and I know that Nevaeh said, I can't stand the idea of missing High Five Friday. This dialogue is at the beginning. So we need to make sure our quotation marks go around the dialogue and the end punctuation. But don't get tricked. This is a declarative sentence. Usually I would have a period at the end of a declarative statement. But do I have a period in the middle of a sentence when it's part of dialogue? Say no way. Yes, instead of that period, we draw a comma. Good. I think I can predict those tricky parts in that last question. I see my quotation marks. Yep. Friends, we do not put a period in the middle of a sentence. Even though I can't stand the idea of missing High Five Friday is a declarative statement, I still need to end that with a comma when it is part of dialogue. The correct answer is A. Scholars, I hope that you had that secret word that was on the bottom of this screen. If not, you have to go back and find it. When you're finished, go ahead and click Next to continue.